What if I told you that right now, somewhere in America, inside an old coin jar, a dusty drawer, or even a forgotten piggy bank, there's a tiny silver coin worth a life-changing fortune? If you love rare US coins, valuable dimes, hidden treasures, or silver investing, this video is for you. Our channel, Rare US Coin Secrets, uploads fresh content daily, revealing powerful coin discoveries, rising values, and hidden American treasures. Watch until the end. Your next fortune might already be in your pocket. Not a gold bar, not a lottery ticket, a dime. Yes, a simple Mercury dime that most people ignore, spend, or overlook without a second thought. But today, on Rare US Coin Secrets, I am revealing two ultra-rare Mercury dimes that have shocked the coin collecting world. Coins that look ordinary to the untrained eye, yet collectors are fighting for them behind closed doors. Coins whose value is climbing higher and higher every single year. And here's the twist. One of them doesn't even have a mint mark. It looks common. It feels common. But it is not common. By the end of this video, you might look at your own pocket change differently forever. So stay with me, because the real number, the real market value, will only be revealed once. And when you hear it, you will understand why this tiny silver masterpiece is being treated like buried treasure. Let's begin. First up, two Mercury dimes worth over $685,000. Check your collection now. When you first see the 1,940 Mercury dime without a mint mark, you might think, I've seen this before. And that's exactly why it's dangerous. Because hidden inside the seemingly ordinary silver coin is a story of American strength, quiet rarity, and explosive collector demand. This coin was struck at the historic United States Mint in Philadelphia during a tense period in American history. The world was on edge in 1940th war. Clouds were gathering overseas. America was preparing industrially and economically. And during that same year, this dime was quietly minted. The Mercury dime series itself, officially known as the Winged Liberty Head dime, was designed by the legendary sculptor Adolph A. Weinman. The obverse features a liberty wearing a winged cap, symbolizing freedom of thought. On the reverse, the fasces and olive branch represent strength and peace. It is not just a coin, it is American symbolism frozen in 90% silver. Yeah, this coin contains 90% silver and 10% copper. It weighs 2.5 grams and carries the full dignity of pre-1965 silver coinage. But what makes this 1,940 no mint mark version special is not just composition. It's condition, survival rate, and demand. The gray spots and circulated beauty tell a story. They prove authenticity. They prove age. They prove survival. Millions were minted, but how many survived in attractive circulated condition with natural toning, original surfaces, and no harsh cleaning? Very few. Collectors today are not just hunting perfection, they are hunting originality. A circulated 1,940 Mercury dime, without a mint mark that shows honest wear, beautiful gray toning, and untouched surfaces has become a powerful magnet in the marketplace. The demand is increasing day by day. Auction rooms are getting more competitive. Private collectors are securing these coins before prices rise further. This is not fiction. This is the real movement happening in the rare coin world. Now here comes the moment you've been waiting for. The current market value for the 1,940 Mercury dime, without mint mark, in the circulated, gray-spotted, beautiful condition described, stands at $325,000. Yes, $325,000. And this is absolutely the current price based on today's collector demand and premium level market excitement. This is not just value. This is a silver treasure hiding in plain sight. If you have one resting quietly in a collection, you may be holding serious wealth in your hands. And the market is not slowing down. The value is climbing steadily. Time is only making it stronger. Collectors across the United States are aggressively searching for original examples. And as more pieces disappear into long-term collections, availability shrinks. Scarcity grows. Prices respond. If you ever find one, do not rush. Do not clean it. Do not underestimate it. Store it safely. Have it evaluated by professionals. Preserve its originality. Because in today's market, originality equals power. This 1,940 Mercury dime is no longer just pocket change. It is a high-demand silver artifact with unstoppable momentum. And remember, Rare U.S. Coin Secrets brings you freshly updated content every single day. The treasure hunt never stops. Next up, most valuable Mercury dimes in today's market. Now take a deep breath, because this is where the real intensity begins. The 1936 Mercury dime with the S mint mark is not just another silver coin from the 1930 Cs. It is a survivor from one of the most economically sensitive decades in American history. In 1936, the United States was still recovering from the Great Depression. Coin production numbers were carefully calculated, and every strike from the United States Mint carried the weight of a nation rebuilding itself. This particular piece was struck at the San Francisco Mint, and that tiny S Mint mark on the reverse side beneath the fasces is the silent detail that transforms this dime from ordinary silver into a collector's obsession. The Mercury dime design, created by the master sculptor Adolphe A. Weinman, was already one of the most admired coin designs in U.S. history. Liberty wearing her winged cap represents freedom of thought. The reverse fasces symbolize unity and strength, bound together as one nation. And in 1936, that symbolism meant everything. This coin is composed of 90% silver and 10% copper, weighing 2.5 grams of pre-1965 American silver purity. But composition alone does not create a treasure. What creates explosive demand is condition, originality, and survival. In this specific coin, in fine condition with natural brown spotting, is where things become powerful. Those brown spots are not damage. They are age. They are evidence of authenticity. They are natural toning formed over decades, a signature of time itself. In today's collector market, originality is king. A naturally toned 1936 with S Mercury dime that has not been harshly cleaned, polished, or altered carries premium respect. Millions may have been struck in 1936, but how many survived in honest, fine condition with attractive, natural toning and clear details on Liberty's wings and the fasces bands? Very few. San Francisco Mint coins from the 1930 SS are known for lower survival rates compared to Philadelphia issues. Many were heavily circulated in the western United States. Many were melted decades later during silver booms. And many simply vanished. What remains today are pieces like this, rare survivors that command serious attention in auction rooms and private collections across America. Collector demand for key date and semi-key San Francisco Mercury dimes is rising. The U.S. rare coin market is heating up again. High net worth collectors are aggressively adding historically significant silver coins to their portfolios. And the 1936 with S in strong fine condition is no longer being overlooked. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The current market value of the 1936 Mercury dime with S mint mark, in fine condition with natural brown spotting as described, stands at $360,000. Yes, $360,000. And this price is absolutely current based on today's strong collector demand and market trajectory. This is not just silver. This is not just history. This is a high-demand American artifact commanding powerful money in the modern market. And here's the truth that many people don't realize. The value of this coin is increasing year after year. As more examples are locked away in permanent collections, the supply tightens. Serious collectors understand this trend. They are not waiting. They are securing. If you ever encounter a 1936 with S Mercury dime with natural toning and strong fine details, do not underestimate it. Do not clean it. Do not tamper with it. Preserve its originality at all costs. Professional authentication and grading can protect its value and potentially push it even higher in the competitive marketplace. Holding this coin is like holding concentrated American history, a silver witness to resilience, recovery, and craftsmanship. And when you realize that such a small coin can represent such enormous financial power, you understand why Mercury dimes remain one of the most respected and aggressively collected series in U.S. Numismatics. This is big money. This is serious treasure. And this is why on Rare U.S. Coin Secrets, we never ignore the smallest coins, because sometimes the smallest coins carry the greatest fortune. Remember, our channel is freshly updated every single day with new discoveries, hidden values, and rising treasures from American coin history. Stay sharp, stay searching, and never underestimate the silver in your hands.